Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Hope you're having a great weekend. I wanted to respond to some questions in the comments. People, have different visions of the future, and I could be wrong about this, but a lot of people think that ERP will stick around because, all the transaction logic and whatnot is done in ERP. But I think they're missing the broader picture. Like, one, where are you going to be spending the majority of your time? In your legacy ERP system or Foundry? And two, is there a better way to run your business than on top of these legacy shitty systems? It's my opinion that yes, there is a much better way to run your business, and it involves incorporating machine learning on top of all of that data liberation you saw in Foundry, right? The operationalizing of your data will enable machines to do things they simply cannot do today, right? So let's take a look at what a potential network built on new technology would look like. A modern infrastructure could look like. Hyperledger Fabric has had mixed results. It's sort of fallen out of favor, but I think it's prime for a revival, because what we can do here is transact on the blockchain, right? So like, why aren't we codifying business process into smart contracts we can all agree on that can actually execute and do transactions? It makes zero sense to keep humans as the sort of primary actor in that system when you can use machine learning over here to surface signal data, which is like your parts are low at factory A, right? We all saw that in that demo. You can train models to do the same thing on your data stream. Once you've operationalized the data stream with Foundry and gotten complete visibility across your entire organization, you can start building machines that can then analyze that stream in much the same way an analyst would have, and do it faster and do it better. Once a signal is surfaced, it can trigger the execution of a workflow that's codified in a smart contract. That smart contract, if these companies are transacting in crypto, can actually transfer value between these organizations. You can then move at the speed of your data stream. So as the data is coming into Foundry and the machines are analyzing it and the signals are being surfaced, you can now transact. And you can have a human in the loop to verify the transaction. But to me, this is a much better way to run a business than the way we run it today with traditional ERPs. And that's why I think ERP, as we know it, is dead. Why? You are going to have to move at the speed of your data to compete in this future. Now, will existing companies do this? Probably not. They haven't. This technology has been around for a long time. But I think the primary obstacle to adoption wasn't the fact that they want to incorporate smart contracts or move at the speed of their data stream. They couldn't operationalize their data. There was just no way. The ERP was holding their data hostage. Foundry has liberated the data and has made this future that I'm proposing here possible. So what's missing? What's missing are certified developers who can build the next generation of business on top of Foundry. I'm working as hard as I can to democratize this product and get this training in your hands. I can't promise anything, but if you do get this product in your hands, think big. Take a baseball bat to existing industry. Rethink it, reimagine it. The legacy systems of the past need to die, and they'll die when we build the next generation of business on Foundry.